Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content. MyZone Moves is a comprehensive platform designed to enhance your fitness journey and elevate your workout experience. It achieves this by providing personalized insights, fostering a sense of community, and offering a wide range of tools to help you track and celebrate your progress. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, MyZone Moves offers something for everyone. The platform's core functionality revolves around the MyZone Effort Points (MEPs) system, a unique metric that measures your physical activity based on heart rate data. This personalized approach ensures accurate tracking of your effort, regardless of your fitness level, providing a more precise picture of your workout intensity than simply counting steps or calories. One of the key advantages of MyZone Moves is its ability to build a strong sense of community. The platform connects you with other users, fostering healthy competition and encouragement through challenges, leaderboards, and social features. This shared experience can be a powerful motivator, helping you stay engaged and committed to your fitness goals. Beyond individual progress, MyZone Moves also facilitates team challenges and virtual races, allowing you to connect with friends, family, or even colleagues in a fun and engaging way. MyZone Moves also provides personalized feedback and guidance, helping you optimize your workouts and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. The platform offers tailored training plans and resources, giving you the tools you need to succeed. Furthermore, the detailed tracking data provided by MyZone Moves allows you to monitor your progress over time, identify areas for improvement, and stay motivated throughout your fitness journey. By combining personalized tracking with community support and expert guidance, MyZone Moves aims to empower you to reach your full fitness potential and enjoy a more rewarding workout experience. This, combined with the easy-to-understand MEPs system, makes MyZone Moves a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their fitness level and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Visiting the website www.myzonemoves.com will allow you to explore all the features and benefits in greater detail.